Any party can say anything against anyone, because in the end, nobody will pray or will praise others or will work for others to strengthen the other party. Of course, they'll find ways and means. They will try all the ways and means they can to make us down. But looking at the support we got from the public, I have a feeling that nobody can touch us. We have been here, we will be here, and the time will come that our people will have full faith on us and they'll give us a day where one day we will be the leaders for the state. I have feelings. So they mentioned that what 28 UDP will be no more. I have a feelings that is wrong. The day that I will not be here, maybe because I am here, I'm still UDP. I will be with UDP. And not only me, all the 12 MLAs are here. And few more, many more, not only few, many more will be there on 28 to stand for the party and to save the state. I have a full feelings that uh, next to come 28 will be a best and one of the best result will be on 28 for the party UDP, and that will be for the future of our people of the state.